Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Following on from my first Halloween Mani a day in the month of October video, in this video I'll be sharing with you the Halloween Manis that I created for day 8 to day 14. There is some information on what products I've used in the description box below, along with my Instagram page link where you can find all the manis and the information. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. So as I said in the first video, I've created themes for each day. Some have been a little bit more challenging than others. I've been creating these manis on myself, nail tips and my silicone hand. I've had a lot of fun and I'm only halfway through Halloween. Halloween is definitely my season for sure. I'm loving all of this. For day 8, the theme was patterns, and I had a couple of images in mind that I wanted to use. So I used the Kiki London base coat and their no white top coat, along with the gel polish Mint Convertible, which, even though this is a light green, it really does make a great base for a Halloween Mani. The stamping polish I used was Clear Jelly Stamper 007 Lush Leaf, and these two colours are like the perfect match. They work so well together. I used 2 stamping plates for this Mani, and they were Beautybigbang 04 and Creative Shop 108. I really like this Mani. It's something a little different, but in a good way. If you're not a huge fan of Halloween Manis, something like this is a good idea. For day 9, the theme was bats. So again, I've used gel polish, starting with the Kiki London base coat, their gel polish Mrs. Grey from the new autumn collection, and their no white matte top coat. I used Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polish 042 Slate Grey. This is a must have in anyone's collection for Halloween Manis. It is just amazing for it. And the stamping plates I used were Marianne nail stamping plates 117 and 131. These are 2 very cool Halloween plates. I originally tried this glossy, but I just didn't like the look of it. It just didn't look right. But as a matte, I think it looks brilliant. I do really like the mix of full and half designs across the nails. I definitely want to recreate this for my own nails, maybe next year. For day 10, the theme was witches. I love this Mani. So I used the Kiki London base coat and their matte no wipe top coat, along with another new autumn gel polish called Go Khaki from Kiki London. For me, again, this is the perfect green base for a Halloween Mani. For the stamping, I used Clear Jelly Stamper 002 white stamping polish. I'm not a huge fan of stamping in white, but over the green, I think it looks great. The stamping plates I used, and there was a few, Born Pretty Halloween stamping plates R001, L005. Then moving on to the Lina Spooklicious stamping plates, and I used Spooklicious 01 and Spooklicious 02. I had so much fun creating this Mani. There is quite a lot going on, to be fair. No 2 nails are the same, which is very unusual for me. But again, this is another Mani I could so very easily wear on my nails. I absolutely love it. For day 11, the theme was cats. I seem to be doing a lot of my Halloween Manis using gel polish. Again, I used the brand Kiki London for their base coat, their No Wipe top coat along with the gel polish Rosebud. Yes, pink for Halloween nails. I've actually done this twice this year, so it is a colour that works really well. For the stamping polish, I've used 042 Slate Grey. I don't think I've ever put pink and grey together before, but it really does work so well. For the stamping plates, I've used Dixie Plates Halloween 2018, Born Pretty BPX49 and BPL057. Again, this is a slightly unusual combination, but I think it works really well. Again, this is another mani that can be worn if not a Halloween fan. It's very subtle and very wearable as well. Day 12, the theme was spiders, and there was just no way they were going on my nails. I'm a huge arachnophobic. For this mani, I used nail polish, and for this I used Marianne jelly nail polish called Black Forest. This is a brilliant black, along with the Born Pretty No Smudge top coat and the Marianne matte top coat. All are very firm favourites for me. For the stamping, I used Born Pretty Stamping Polish 95, which is an amazing metallic-y olive green colour. I don't use this colour very often, but it is stunning. For the stamping plate, I only used one, and this was the new Halloween stamping plate from Lina Nail Art, Spooklicious 03. This plate had some great spider designs, and they all work so well together. I have taken a few pictures just to get the effect of the stamping polish colour, but I really do like how this has turned out though. I still couldn't wear it. Yuck. For day 13, the theme was vampires, and I don't think I've done this style of mani before. Anyway, I used nail polish again, and these were the Essie Colour Correct as the base coat, and Marianne Coconut Infusion nail polish called Island Fever, the Born Pretty No Smudge top coat, and then again the Marianne matte top coat. For the stamping polish, I used my favourite pearl white, which is the Clear Jelly Stamper 034 Angelic White. Over the red, it just looks amazing. The stamping plates that I used were Uber Chic Halloween 01, DP Halloween 2018 and Lina Nail Art Spooklicious 01. I wasn't sure about this mani to start with, but it has turned out well though. This style of mani, I did wonder about colouring the vampires in, but it's still a really nice mani though. For day 14, the theme was Skellingtons, and with this design I was going for a chalkboard effect. So I used the Essie Colour Correct as the base coat, along with the Marianne Jelly Nail Polish Black Forest, Born Pretty No Smudge top coat, and again the Marianne matte top coat. For the stamping polish, I used Clear Jelly Stamper 002 White, which over the black looks fabulous. For the stamping plates, I used two of the new Born Pretty Halloween stamping plates, and they were Halloween L001 and L002. This mani was a big hit with likes over on my Instagram, and I absolutely love how this has turned out. I love wearing black nails. I'm glad I went with sort of like the chalkboard effect, the matte effect. It works so well, especially for Halloween manis, and I just love these. All of my manis are over on my Instagram page. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. All of the stamping plates and gel polishes do have swatch review videos here on my channel, which you can find in the brand's playlists. Thank you for viewing my Halloween Mani Part 2. Please join me for Part 3. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at Glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.